Behind closed doors in fortified bunkers and secret research facilities, the world's militaries are engaged in a technological arms race unlike any seen before. This race is not just about who has the most firepower, but who can outthink and outmaneuver their opponents using cutting-edge technology. The quest to dominate the battlefields of the future is no longer just about bigger bombs or faster jets. It's about integrating advanced systems that can make real-time decisions and adapt to changing conditions on the fly. It's about harnessing the power of artificial intelligence. AI has the potential to revolutionize military strategy, making operations more efficient and precise. This new frontier of warfare promises to be as revolutionary as it is unnerving. The implications of AI in military applications are vast and complex, raising ethical and strategic questions. The development of military AI is shrouded in secrecy, fueled by strategic necessity and national security concerns. Nations are wary of revealing too much, fearing that their adversaries might gain an upper hand. Governments and defense agencies around the world are investing heavily in AI research and development. These investments are seen as crucial to maintaining a strategic edge in global conflicts, their goal to gain a decisive advantage over adversaries in an increasingly complex and unpredictable world. The future of warfare is being shaped by these silent, unseen battles for technological supremacy.
Artificial intelligence, in its simplest form, refers to the ability of computer systems to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. This includes learning, problem-solving, decision-making, and even understanding and responding to human language.
In a military context, AI has the potential to revolutionize warfare. It can analyze vast amounts of data from satellites, drones, and other sensors to provide commanders with real-time battlefield awareness. AI can also be used to automate tasks, such as target identification and weapon systems operation, freeing up human soldiers for more complex roles.
Even today, AI is no longer a futuristic concept confined to science fiction. Militaries around the world are already deploying AI-powered systems in various capacities. One prominent example is the use of AI in drones.
Drones equipped with AI algorithms can autonomously navigate complex environments, identify targets, and even make decisions about whether to engage, all with minimal human